1. Keylogger. This tool is used to record every keystroke made on a keyboard. Keyloggers can be used to steal sensitive information such as passwords or credit card information. 2. Exploit kits. A collection of software used to exploit vulnerabilities in systems or applications. Exploit kits are often used to spread malware. 3. Malware. This is malicious software designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to systems. Types of malware include viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, and adware. 4. Phishing tools. These tools are used to create fake websites or emails that appear legitimate with the intent to steal sensitive information like login credentials or personal information. 5. Brute force attack tools. These tools are used to attempt to guess passwords by trying various combinations of characters until the correct one is found. 6. Packet sniffer. Software or hardware used to capture and analyze data packets passing through a network. This tool can be used to steal information like passwords or credit card numbers. 7. Network scanners. These tools are used to scan a network for security holes or vulnerable services. An example of this tool is MAP. 8. SQL injection tools. These tools are used to exploit vulnerabilities in insecure web applications by injecting malicious SQL commands. 9. Denial of service (DOS) attack tools. These tools are used to launch attacks against servers or networks by flooding them with traffic, rendering them inaccessible. 10. Remote access tools. RATs. This software allows hackers to remotely control a system without the owner's knowledge. 11. Social engineering kits. Tools and techniques used to manipulate people into divulging confidential information or performing unsafe actions. 12. Botnets. Networks of computers that have been infected with malware and are controlled by hackers to carry out coordinated attacks like DDoS. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.